Welcome to Quality Bhai. You go to source for all things quality and process improvement. My name is Ravi and I am a quality professional with a passion for helping individuals and organizations improve their process and reach their full potential. Here on my channel, you will find a variety of topics related to quality, including Six Sigma, Lean, 80 problem solving, and more. Whatever you are, seasoned quality professional or just a starting out, my goal is to provide valuable insights, tools, and resources to help you improve your process and achieving success. So subscribe now and join me on the journey of continuous improvement. Methodology used to identify, correct, and prevent problem in a systematic and organization way. Some common tools used in AT problem solving includes: Step first, team formation, assembling a team for individuals with relevant expertise to work on the problem. Second steps, problem description, clearly define and documenting the problem, including its symptoms, causes, and effects. Third steps, root cause analysis, identifying the underlying causes of the problem using tools such as the 5A or fishbone diagram. Fourth steps, corrective action, implementing short team solution to address the immediately problem and prevent recurrence. Fifth steps, preventive action, developing long-term solution to address the root cause of the problem and prevent it from happening again in the future. Sixth steps, verification, verifying that the problem has been effectively resolved and that the corrective and preventive action have been implemented correctly. Seventh steps, standardization, incorporating the lesson learned into standard operating procedure to ensure the problem does not occur again in the future. Eighth steps, recognition the contributors of the team members and celebrating the success of the problem solving process. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video on Quality Buy. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more quality and process improvement content. Also leave a comment below with any feedback or request for future videos. Remember, continuous improvement is a lifelong journey and I am here to help you along the way. Until next time, stay quality.